Yep.
Okay, ladies. Looks like you chose the pygmy marmoset. I have never had anyone do the pygmy marmoset before, FYI. Why? Like, how did you even hear? Who in here has ever heard of a pygmy marmoset before this class?
Oh.
I was the one who said that.
Yeah.
Before Tyler sent an email around about it. Okay, some of you have. Okay. So why did you guys choose it?
Because it's also known as a finger monkey.
So the finger monkey made you pick it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Whenever you guys are ready, tell us about it.
The physical description is the tail is about 6 to 15 inches, and their actual length is like 5 to 14. So
Is that total?
Longer. What?
Is that like total?
No, each.
What?
Seriously. Like the tail is that
Oh, the
long.
tail's that long, and then
Yeah.
but the body's the 5 to 14.
Yeah.
That's actually really common in monkeys that they have a longer tail than they have body. Cool.
Their eyes are like almond shaped. Their underside is usually orange, and then the top is like brown with spots of like yellow randomly.
You done?
Yeah.
The diet, most important vitamin is A and D3, which they get that from the sun. And they drink fresh water right off the leaves or flowers.
Why do you think they do that rather than going to, say, a watering hole or a river or something?
Because it takes less time.
Because why?
Because it takes less time.
Not less time. What do you think, Christine?
What?
Why do they get their water from leaves and flowers rather than a big water source?
Because they don't want to go far away from where they live.
Keep in mind it's the Amazon, so there's all kind. Well, I guess there's all kinds of water. What do you think, Brennan?
Wait, are they found in the canopy?
The understory, I guess.
Oh, never mind.
What do you think, Mom?
Oh, so they don't eat.
Yeah. I mean, they were little. If you look at the one on the top right, you can see it's in the palm of that guy's hand. So they're little, and by avoiding going down off of the trees, they can avoid predators that way. So it's easier to get them from the leaves and from the flowers. Good. Keep going.
They eat the sap or the gum from trees. Grasshoppers are their favorite food to eat. And then they wait for the sap to run out, and then of the tree to like slurp it up, so they don't have to like go inside of it.
Did somebody ask them if they really like grasshoppers or what? Like, how do they know it's their favorite food?
Because they eat them all the time.
Yeah, that's their most common food. Good.
They're used for a lot of things. Like, they're commonly found in zoos, and they're used for scientific experiments a lot, like in South America, sometimes Africa. And they're a big part of diet for snakes, and they keep population of insects down.
Do they eat fruits and stuff too? Or are they,
No.
no?
It's mostly tree sap.
And bugs? I see you have a lot of bugs in your food web.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
The food web, they eat butterflies and frogs and moths and spiders, and then the sap or gum from the trees, and grasshoppers and beetles and flower buds, and fungi eats them. Then they also eat small lizards and snails, and then boa constrictor, I can't say it.
Constrictor.
Yeah, and pythons and the eagle, they eat them.
Okay, Sydney, how would you characterize their diet overall? Are they a herbivore, a carnivore, an omnivore, what are they?
Herbivore. No. Carnivore.
I'm asking you. Are you asking me? I don't know. We'll look at the animals and the things they're eating. You said herbivore?
No, omnivore.
Yeah, that's the
So
one.
we've said all three now. Which one are we going to go with?
Omnivore.
They are omnivores because they'll eat insects, they'll eat gum from trees, which are plants, so they're omnivore. Good.
Their niches, they can live up to 12 years. They're really fast, and their head can turn like 180 degrees. It's half
Like an
their
owl.
head. Yeah. When danger appears, they're really small, so they're allowed to like hide in the tree holes. They usually have twins instead of single offspring.
What's 5-month gestation? That's what I noticed you guys have up there. It's under
Oh, it
age.
means like how long they're pregnant.
Good. Keep in mind, people are pregnant for how long?
9 months.
9 months. Okay? Now, why would an animal like that have a smaller gestation than us?
Because
Yes.
they need more.
Smaller organisms generally have shorter gestations. Good. Any cool pictures or things that you guys really liked on there? Or
The
questions?
banana one.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. I don't know, you never really, I mean, you said they get about 5 inches in length, which is only about the size of my hand, not very big. What about like weight? Did you guys find anything about that? Like, are they very heavy or are they, you know,
I didn't have
you didn't find anything about weight?
They're like really 5 something.
That's not
I
weight.
had it on there.
Something or other.
We lost it.
Okay. Anything else you guys want to show us?
the habitat.
Oh yeah, we should probably do that. Sorry, go ahead, Sid.
Found in the tropical rainforest. The types of trees they like to live in is the African tulip, tropical oak, tropical dwarf, papaya, coral tree, perfume acacia, and the princess tree.
So they live in trees.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are almost never seen on the ground. They are found in South America. They live in the understory of the rainforest. The small size means that they are able to live in high places. And the males guard off their territories by displaying their genitals.
Okay. You have 2 that are kind of I'm wondering about. It says that you say they live in high places, right? But then over there it says that they live in the understory.
They can go to high places. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
Without
So they live in the understory. They live up high. I mean, what?
they live in the understory, but then they can go into the high places.
Okay. Any other questions for the ladies here? Okay, give them a hand. Good job.
Just stop it.